Hello, my name is Poindexter, and today I'll be showing you, yes you, how to become a human calculator using a few simple tricks. Now, for my first human calculator trick, I will need two random numbers that are close to 90 from the audience.
98 and
94.
Okay, 98 and 94. So, the first thing you do is you find the distance away from 100. So, 100 minus 98 equals 2. So put that above there. And 100 minus 94 is 6. So you can cross subtract. You can either subtract 6 from 98 or 2 from 94. Either one of those will give you 92. So those are the first two digits. And then for the next two digits, you multiply the distance away from 100. In this case, it would be 2 times 6, which would equal 12. So the answer should be 9,212. So go over to my handy dandy colossal calculator and see if this is in fact correct. 98 times 94 equals 9,212. So it is indeed correct. Now, for the next method, I will be showing you how to square a number that is close to 100. So, I will need a random number that is close to 100.
91.
91. A good number. So 91 squared equals. Okay, the key to this one too is to find the distance away from 100. So 100 minus 91 equals 9. So you then subtract the 9, or the distance away from 100, from 91. So in that case, 91 minus 9 would equal 82. And then you square the distance away from 100, which would be 9. And so 9 squared would equal 81. So, if this is correct, the answer should be 8,281. Go back to my handy dandy calculator, see if this is in fact correct. 91 times 91 equals 8,281. So it is indeed correct. Now, for my next math magic trick, I'll be showing you again how to square a number close to 100, but this time above 100. Now again, I will need a random number.
105.
105. A very good number. So, for this problem, the first step is to add the last two digits of it to itself. So, we will add 05, which is essentially 5, to 105, and that will equal 110. So that is your first two digits. And then you square the last two digits. So 5 times 5 equals 25. So if I did this correctly, the answer should be 11,025. Go back to my handy dandy colossal calculator and see if it is in fact correct. So 105 times 105 times 105 equals 11,025. So once again, the math magic works. Now, for the next human calculator trick, I'll be showing you how how to multiply two numbers in the teens in less than 5 seconds. So I'm going to need two random numbers in the teens to multiply.
17.
17 and
15.
15. Okay, now you can either add the second digit of the second number to this number, or do the opposite and add the second digit of this number to this number. Either way, you will get 22. And so then what you do is you multiply the second digit of the number times itself. So 7 times 5 would equal 35. So you add 35 to there. So 220 plus 35 would equal 255. Let's once again check and see if it is in fact correct. So 17 times 15 equals 255. So it is indeed once again correct. Now, I will need someone's birthday, like the month that they were born in. You.
5/1/65.
So 5. So you enter in the 5, which would be May. So times that by 20 equals 100. You add 3 equals 103. Then you times that by 5, which would equal 515. Now, need the day that they were born on. So that was the first, correct?
Yeah, May the 1st.
Plus 1 equals 516. Then you multiply it by 20 again. Then you add 3. Then you times it by 5. And then you add the year that they were born in. And what would that be?
65.
So plus 65 equals 51,680. So then you subtract 1,515, which would equal 501.65. So you see how it kind of spells out their birth date in numbers, which is 501.65, or May the 1st, 1965.